customer age is 28 year, 28.1, 75% average gross margin, INR 1500 average average revenue user, and revenue increase per year is 18%. That brings to a great success. And industry at a glance, there is a brief introduction given here about the industry. The Indian food and beverage industry is valued at around INR 43,000 crore, where the cafe or coffee shop business around 20 to 25%. The average annual growth that the industry sees is of around 30 to 35%, where the business has a lot of future potential as well, owing to the fact that the market is moving towards the urbanization at the decent place. The business of the organized dining or ending out is at a favorable INR 12,000 crores annually, which means that the organized of defined options are limited to the customer either because of the lack of an optimization planning or resource management by the current players, or complete lack of knowledge in the topic, where the both cases are proved correct. In the year 2012, the restaurant industry saw unprecedented growth figures, and by estimates, the Indian food and beverage industry will be valued INR 100.000 crores by 2015-16. This proves that the F&B industry in India is here to stay. It in 2015 and 16, the ratio was like that. The Indian cafe market is comparatively in its nascent stage, with lack of many defined options for the people, as the market dynamics are high and the competition is fierce. The top two brands in the Indian coffee shop industry are in neck deep fight for supremacy. Here comes the potential towards the development and sustainability of the complete cafe business, with multiple options and workings. With so many factors at working, this industry holds very high opportunity factor for you, and Unique Brew is the best way to help you grab the opportunity. The market customer segmentation is given here. Local residents are 21%, tourists are 36%, 29% are student, and 7% are traveler, 7% local business. Key strength of the Unique Brew is like food industry is packed at around 250,000 crores and is growing at a rate of 25 to 30% per annum. The Indian fast food chain market is at very primary stage, and even though the industry is valued so large, it actually contributes to less than 3% of the GDP. Indian tier 2 markets and tier 3 markets are growing at the highest rate since the last decade. The eating out industry is set to double by 2025, and organized retail food will have a major chunk of this market. Here is a company at a glance. Here the introduction of the company is given. I will give you the introduction of the company on second page, because I will show you the other the key strength of our key strength. What is our key strength? Like, what is our product? I will explain you in brief that what products Unique Brew provides, what are our products, and what is our menu. I will brief you in detail. These are the main highlights of our, like, what is our strength. Governments of different kind of coffees, deluxe drinks and beverages, delicious fresh and local food. Italian cafe experience now in India. Like, we bake our own breads, like we have a fresh dough pizza concept. We have a like homemade brownies. We bake our own homemade desserts. We make our own all kind of sauces, in-house sauces, and this is our strength. Like, we generally try to make all the ingredients in itself in the outlet, so we don't have to depend on like multiple vendors. So this is our main strength. The business strength, what is our business strength? It is a completely royalty free model. You will get continued headquarter support. Constant innovation and research is done on all the product, on operation, on advertising, marketing, and as well as on the menu line. Like, our R&D works on like constant innovation of the product and research, like whatever the locality, as per the locality we try to prepare the food as per that. Brand strength, Unique Brew franchise system. We have, like as I explained, we have a governments of coffees, more than 30 different varieties of special coffees, carefully curated, differing flavors, brew strength, and different regions. Specialized coffee inventories, sourced in required sizes, custom grind types of variety, first in chain-based cafe models. Beverages and dessert, largest variety in beverage and dessert, carefully curated and priced mixology-based drinks. Correct pricing with reliable partners like Monin, Da Vinci, etc. There are so many other partners. A steady and reliable system, highly predictable and high margins. Whatever product we have designed, we have considered all the technical points for that particular product. Suppose we are making any particular pizza, or we are making any burger, if we are making any other dishes, we have technically designed our recipe so that the product cost, the actual cost of the product does not exceed the limit of, it should be like 28% should be the maximum cost of the any product that we are making. Highly predictable and high margin, as I explained. Fresh and local food, highest variety in food products, locally sourced, tested systems for maintaining recipes and taste without dependence of staff. Taste system for maintaining recipe and taste without dependence of staff. Complete hand holding and support from headquarters for designing a new product and recipes. Feedback based customization options. Business strength, a franchise system that wants to see you win. Like as I explained, that we are here not to close the deal. We are here, the Unique Brew is here in the market to give you an opportunity to be a part, opportunity to you to become a part of Unique Brew team, and like a franchise system that want to see you win. Like we want you to make a profit, we want you, our client, to win in the market, in the competitive market. It's a completely royalty free model for lifetime, flexible renewal options, territory protection for uh, Unique Brew franchise, master franchise, territorial rights, area developer rights available, first priority to existing franchisee for taking the next step, continued headquarter support, like highest standard in supply system, carefully selected vendors for supplies and purchases, transparent pricing and billing, steady and reliable purchase system, continuous feedback and monitoring via IT based systems and support, constant R&D, excellent research and review of patrons, local PR and influencer support, analysis of local food and beverage consumption, adapting recipes that appeals to customer taste and preferences without increase in cost of adding products. Franchise opportunity for Unique Brew, India's most unique restaurant cafe brand. Unique concept for fast food and cafe business clubbed into the amazing business opportunity, high margin product, constant product support by professional consulting team. We have a professional consulting team that will help us to constant product support, 100% royalty free territory protection, as I explained earlier, area franchise right, zone rights to multiple earnings, investment. The first investment start from 12 lakhs onwards and excellent ROI options, easy admin, manageable via cell phones from anywhere, local source, no hassle of depending on company supplies and increased food cost. Future ready Unique Brew Cafe model is the only model that has the all post COVID guidelines for operations like cloud kitchen, contactless delivery, and kitchen operations according to FSSAI and WHO standards, inbuilt with the SOP standard. That Unique Brew has a strong eligibility and strong team that will take care post COVID operations, like post COVID, whatever we are, whatever outlet we are opening, we have a standard operations procedure. We have like strong team, strong guidelines, how to maintain hygienic condition in the kitchen, because this is going to be very important now after this, like the already almost the lockdown is over, but this is after lockdown, it is going to be a very important factor, like for size standard, maintaining hygiene condition in the outlet. This is going to be very, it is going to be on top priority. Key timeline, like how the process goes, like basing pre-opening planning to secure funding, fit out period, project development, grand opening, achieve 200 daily customers. Like we target, our target is to there should be a daily 200 customer in our store. How we do that, that is like our marketing and an advertisement process. Like it's LOI plus property DSR, project management, layout plus drawing, BM, operation, SOP, KRA, KPI. This is all system, step by step procedure, how we proceed ahead. The team, I'm the founder. My name is Neerav Parmar. We have a Mr. Rohan Bhatt, who is the expansion head. Mr. Yash Bhatt, who looks after the operation head. Like when we when the opening is done, after that, Mr. Rohan Bhatt takes care of like how to expand the business. Operation of the outlet is taken care by Mr. Yash Bhatt. Uh, I would like to give my personal intro. Like I am a founder and managing director. I am a hotel and tourism management graduate from Gujarat. I have done my post graduation in same from London, as I explained, with over 5 years of experience, five-star hotels across the UK and USA, almost a decade as an individual entrepreneur. My skills include management of daily operations of business and execution of the working and preparation on a daily basis. My keen eye of detail is a kitchen helps define the separate taste and distinctive identity of Unique Brew Cafe, and this operational expertise helps in magnifying the scale of operation to suit the requirement of the market. Uh, I am also the head of the R&D division of Unique Brew franchise system. Mr. Yash Bhatt, he is the operation head and head of the marketing. He is a seasoned operation and marketing professional. His methodological approach to everything that matters to business, like the consumer perception, demand pattern, projection, buying decision, like factors, etc., makes him important to the projects and their financial feasibility. He takes care of the operation and marketing at Unique Brew and makes sure that the business that associate with us have their work done. So basically, he looks after the operation. It is a brief introduction. Mr. Rohan Bhatt, expansion head and franchise business support. He is a franchise hospitality consultant professional with over a decade of on-hand experience in developing and sustaining franchise brand across India. He has headed the expansion and franchising part of various brands, and he has also provided end-to-end solution of various brands on a strategic level. So he basically looks after that. Industry movers, like I am not comparing like Unique Brew with some other brand, but this is a for your idea, for your general knowledge, this is given. Starbucks International launch in USA in 1982. Almost 95% stores are company owned. Revenue is excess of 25 billion in 2008. Average store gross revenue is 9 lakh now, 9 lakh like dollar now in 80 countries. Same store sales increased by 15% in 2002. Extremely high investment and low margin in operations. This is like a basic knowledge that how your investment, how you are going to do huge investment for other brand and you are going to make less profit. So this is a normal, like same for the cafe coffee day, like other local brands. Now we talk about the Unique Brew Cafe, the opportunity which so many people doing the same business. Unique Brew Cafe offers a unique business model with local operational efficiency at the core structure of its franchise system. The dynamic model is customized on the basis of the market. The fund chart, we have a develop a fund chart, like what step by step process, like how the franchise system works, like initial lease payment, lease deposit, miscellaneous cost, social media marketing, working capital, marketing, FF and E rate, improvement, like ongoing process, retail business insurance, coffee supply inventory. This is the margin, like fixed startup expenses that we have calculated. Like you can see in the chart, all the fixed startup expenses we have explained in brief. SWOT analysis, we have, like it's a brief introduction. We have an experienced operation team. Our team comprises of people with high levels of experience and background in hospitality, service and operations. A well equipped R&D division. The constant efforts of research and development at our headquarters ensures the development of new product lines and modifications from time to time. Continually upgraded product lines. Due to the R&D support and development of new product lines, you can be sure that there will be something new coming up every now and then at the store. uh, In-house training center, we do in-house training center, experience of turnkey project that we do, expertise in corporate catering. A lot of business comes through the catering and a corporate ordering, where Unique Brew Cafe provides with the corporate catering and a bulk order management, ability to business models B, C, and D. Like weakness, late foray into the business. A major weakness has been the delay in the beginning of all full-blown franchise model and a plan which gave many others substandard operation a wide gap of advantage. Opportunities. Ready target audience. The Indian consumer retail market is currently world's third largest market, just behind USA and China, and it's expected that it will surpass both of them and emerge as the global number one market by 2020 and or by 2021, which means that there is a ready target audience for any and every business in India. Large potential market. The very dimensions of the Indian market is its variety provides with very detailed rollout of the various models, a wide range of menu lines. The expansion of the menu line comprise of the amalgamation of the fact that the menu line is qualifying the business model to be above the basic cafe to a fully targeted, fully fledged restaurant. Our like marketing mix is given product and price. We do consider our like pricing part. We do consider like product, like how Unique Brew Cafe product mix constitutes a wide range of products that appeal primarily to Indian coffees and snacks lover. Products have decided the Indian taste to it, uh, be it food or coffee. Most of the examples have been adopted to meet the Indian taste buds, like veg masala sandwich, paneer tikka sandwiches, veg like pizzas, like talking about other like Indian Punjabi's menus. We have like cafe business, like fast food, restaurant model, and the fine dining restaurant concept. So it starts from A model, B model, C model, D model. This is how we have defined. Now we talk about the demand and supply. The demand, both actually and latent, is huge, but in the supply is limited. Another major aspect is the lack of presentation in the real markets of India. The small town where the spending power layers unattended. Franchising enables Unique Brew to reach places where no other brands can possibly plan a rollout in the uh, foreseeable future. Threats: competition from competition from unorganized masses. With great potential comes great disturbance. Here, the disturbance is the threat posed by the small and medium business that are already functioning on the basis of the federalism factor surrounding them, as they are themselves really present for the long period of the time of the market. Here is a like how the place is defined, promotion is given, like place the strategy of Unique Brew Cafe is to open its various cafe models, restaurant models in the vicinity of high street, family entertainment center, near colleges, near universities. This gives the advantage of the word of mouth marketing effectiveness to the maximum degree. Promotion: Unique Brew Cafe has a plans for 360-degree involvement in all areas of serious consumer passion, like television, sales, promotion process. This is how the process is done in marketing, advertising. Like this is like uh, the introduction about the logo. I would not go deeply about the you can leave your message and email ID. I will mail you all the physical, like what are the architecture, decor, literature, logo, and image brand. segmentation, targeting, and positioning. We make the visit to our your neighbor cafe and experience the provide a special experience to chosen segment. Unique Brew has estimate that presently 38% of the footfalls in its outlet belonging to students between the age of 15 to 24 years. Another interesting demographic is that due to the Italian cafe menu line and the fresh dough pizza menu line, the upper formats of the business models also attract a wide range of demographics, including families and professional groups, which contributes to around 80% of the business in the evening hours, like 8 evening starting from 8 to 11 p.m. Targeting the target market for the various business models vary in the degree of the services and the products served at the cafe, and basic breakup is given follow. Like regular cafe A model, quick, affordable, convenience. We target the target market is student, youth, coffee lovers. Fast food cafe, that is a B model, variety in fresh food, ambience, music, multi-segment, personal. The target market is the Italian cafe C model, casual dining, Italian restaurant with cafe. The target market is mid-age, family, professionals, corporates. And the last one, the sports bar cafe D model, like the ambience, theme, variety, scale of operations, and the target market is multi-segment, personal and corporate. Roles and responsibilities of the franchisee. The franchisee in expert, like this is the after what are the roles and responsibility of the franchisee, that is given in the brief. So I will send you the proposal in mail. How we launch, like pre-launch site in them identification and selection, hiring partially assigned by headquarter, human resource planning according to the market potential, recruitment assigning from headquarter, human resource division for the short of listing, interview for the short one, then selection of the candidates. This is the hiring process we have given. Taxation and compliances, that you must be aware about the company firm formation, billing. This is a detailed introduction about the how the tax and the GST is calculated. How to become a franchisee of the company, that you will receive an introduction email. You will have to fill up the letter of business inquiry form and send it back to us. As soon as you send us the LOBI along with the property picture if available, we will then send you the financial based on model of Unique Brew format selected by you. After agreeing to Unique Brew format and financial with respected format, Unique Brew expansion team will mail you a letter of intent. You have to sign the LOI and send it back to us. As soon as Unique Brew Team expansion team receives your signed LOI along with the token amount, Unique Brew expansion team will schedule a visit to your place, agreeing with agreement copy to finalize the property. Property finalization is respect to format. Your business will be set and the developer for you and handed over to you by the Unique Brew support team as per the support guidelines. So this was the company profile. The you can reach me with like my like company ID. My cell number is given. You can also reach to our operation manager, Mr. Rohan Bhatt. Like his email ID and phone number is given. Square Consulting and Unique Brew Hospitality. I would explain you. You might be have some doubt. Square Consulting is the official franchise and operation partner of Miss Unique Brew Hospitality Private Limited. Now, I will give you a brief introduction about the four business model, basically four business model, and then the last part is why should you go for Unique Brew franchise. Is it visible? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So this is the Unique Brew Express, and like these are the four business model formats that Unique Brew has, like starting from A model to D model. Now I would like to explain you in brief about the model wise investment, monthly expenses, salary, etc., everything. So this is the Unique Brew Express capital expenses. Total investment, like particular cloud model. Space required is 200 to 200, 350 square feet. Machinery equipment 3,50,000. Civil and improvements 1 lakh. Other assets 1,50,000. Pre-operative expenses 1,25,000. Franchise fees 3,50,000. GST is 63,000. The total investment will be nearly about 11 to 12 lakhs. So what is key fundamental for the first model that I have explained you? It is a takeaway kind of format, express format, delivery format, standard high footfall location, crowded spaces, fast moving model, delivery and aggregator friendly model, Zomato, Swiggy, etc. Menu categories include in this model is hot coffees, teas, cold coffees, iced teas, sipping drinks, sandwiches, pizzas, burgers, salad, pastas, Maggi, fries, etc. Delivery friendly. Concept only production staff and cleaning crew, low rent, low expense model. This is about the first A model. This is a expense of the A model is given, like how the like Unique Brew Express profit and loss probabilities, like your F&B sale per month is 4,50,000 expected. Cost of F&B sale per month is 1,80,000. Out of that, what are all expenses, indirect expenses that are going to occur, like electricity, gas, water, rental, staff meals, miscellaneous, marketing, salary, telephone. Total indirect expenses are 1,81,000. Net income per month is 89,000. Annualized income is 10,68,000. Total investment is 11.38, and return on investment is 94%. And your payback period is 1 year and 1 month. Now this is the second model, B model, Unique Brew Fresh Food Cafe model, fast food cafe. That is the B model. The everything is given here. The space required is 400 to 550 square feet. Machinery, equipment, civil improvement, other assets, pre-operative expenses. The total budget is 21 to 22 lakhs. Key fundamentals: sit down plus self-service, takeaway and delivery format, medium to high footfall location, shopping spaces, fast moving model, delivery and aggregator friendly model, Zomato, Swiggy, chill zone for youngsters, college crowd or retail spaces. Menu categories include hot coffees, tea, cold coffees, iced teas, shipping drinks, sandwiches, pizzas, fresh dough, burgers, salads, pastas, Maggies, fries, etc. Delivery friendly. Concept is like production staff, housekeeping crew, sit down model with basic sitting, party friendly, process friendly. This is the indirect expense, like profit. The calculating from the F&B sale per month is 7 lakhs. Cost of F&B sale per month is 2,80,000. Gross profit per month is 4,20,000, and the indirect expense is given. So net income per, after deducing all the indirect expenses, net income per month is 1,73,000. Annualized income is 20 lakhs. Total investment is 21 lakhs. So return on investment will be 99%. Payback period is 1 year. This is a C Italian cafe model. The financial is given, like the total area requirement is 800 to 1,200 square feet. Machinery, equipment, civil, everything including the total budget will be 32 lakhs, 33 lakhs. Key fundamental is sit down, full service model, relaxing space aimed at youngsters, corporate crowd with ambience and vibes. Menu categories like hot coffees, regular and specialty, tea, regular and specialty, cold coffees, iced teas, mixology based drinks, live bar with mocktails, sandwiches, regular and gourmet, pizzas, fresh dough, burgers, regular and gourmet, salads, pastas with Italian and continental option, Mexican fried specials. Concept full sit down model with service and dinnerware, experience driven model with live performances, even to bring social crowd, DJ performances, stand up act, other events to bring crowd on regular basis. Unique Brew Italian Cafe financial is given here. Net income per month will be 2 lakhs 48,000. Annualized income will be 29 lakhs. Total investment would be around 32 to 33 lakhs, and return on investment will be 92%, higher than the fast food cafe model. Payback in years 1.1. This is the last model, like the lounge model. Area requirement is 1500 to 2000 square feet. The total investment will be around 57 to 60 lakhs. Key fundamentals is like sit down, full service model, relaxing space aimed at youngsters, corporate crowd with ambience and vibes. Menu categories, live coffees. It's a live coffees, I said, regular and specialty. And tea, there will be a, where there is a liquor is permitted, there will be a liquor bar. Where the liquor is not permitted, there will be a bar with a like virgin drinks, like or non-alcoholic beers will be served in the this model, as well as in fast food cafe model, as well as in Italian cafe model. So this is the basic concept: cold coffee, shakes, iced teas, mixology based drinks, live bar with mocktails, sandwiches, regular gourmet, live pizzas, fresh dough burgers, regular gourmet, salad bar, pasta, Swiss, Italian and continental options, international cuisine, special menus, etc. Concept: full sit down lounge with service and dinnerware. Premium experience driven model with live event spots, screening, special events like DJ evening, karaoke nights to bring premium crowd, other events and food festivals, etc. on regular basis. Collaboration with social media, influencers and exclusive model. This was the like menu and how the theme about the lounge was explained. Now this is the financials of the restaurant lounge financial. Space required is 1500 to 2000 square feet for this D model. All the calculation is given here, and net income per month will be like after deducing all the expenses, indirect expenses, 4,53,000. Annualized income will be 5,44,000. Sorry, for 54 lakhs 42,000. Total investment, that is 57 lakhs, and the return on investment is 95%. Payback in 1.1 years. So this is the four models, like bifurcation. What is the menu is included? What is the space requirement? What is like your indirect expenses? What is like your like machinery, equipment, interior, everything. All the expenses is given here. Now I would like to share you like why uh, like why you should go for Unique Brew franchise. Is visible now? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Is
Yes, sir. Yes,
okay,
sir.
okay. Okay, so now this is the second last profile I am going to show you. Like how, why should you go? You must be like questioning your mind that why we should go for Unique Brew franchisee. What are the benefits of Unique Brew taking the Unique Brew franchise? Okay, so we have a menu from like Frankie, burgers, pizzas. Like we have both options available in business format. Pure vegetarian option is also available. Pure non-vegetarian option is also available. As per the locality, as per the needs of the client, we give a basic like pure vegetarian or pure non-vegetarian, or both, like vegetarian and non-vegetarian both. We have a these are the menu. Unique Brew, like now, like about us, what is the concept of Unique Brew? It's a like charming, unique, charming, like comforting, unique, charming, freshly made food go together with aromatic coffees and beverages at every Unique Brew cafe to create a new concept that will renew the whole idea that the people and the industry have about making food and enjoying coffees. This new concept created by Unique Brew cafe is currently the most innovative, appealing and original coffee concept in India. Our aim is to provide an authentic Italian cafe experience. Coffees, authentic international fast food products. There is a relaxing atmosphere in every store. The Unique Brew philosophy is really very simple: coffees, atmosphere, food, service, and aperitivo time are like key elements to our business, and excellence in all five our areas in required in order to achieve our aim. Our origin: Unique Brew was like started with my dream, as I explained you earlier. So I will not explain you the again. So benefits of becoming Unique Brew franchise, like why to take a franchise of Unique Brew. A robust business model with a high commercial visibility, capitalizing on the shift towards affordable luxury and lifestyle spending. A young and vibrant Indian company with the vision and passion for food in all its forms and a pace of growth towards a wide and untapped market. A well recognized business format that has a strong and wide consumer appeal, high quality, attractive product lines, and a unique cafe cum dining experience. A solid operations models and secure position as one of India's leading cafe and food concept, highly tuned, tried and tested systems, removing the scope for speculation in the business for franchise partners. A culture of shared success and respect, putting our franchise partners first by believing in their success first. A professional, reputable, and experienced management and operational team, a business model that is absolutely royalty free unconditionally. What are the franchise support that we give? Franchise support starting from site selection, layout plans, marketing support, ongoing operational support, effective advertising, marketing, promotion, and publicity support. Unique Brew franchise benefits: superb return on investment, complete assistance in franchise development and design. Franchisee can get to know about the food and beverage operations procedures. The scope for growth is unlimited as the company is also open for various suggestions towards a mutual and proactive growth where even the franchisee partners have a say. Your talent and dedication, along with our specially designed franchise systems and highly revolved revolved management and operational expertise, create the most rewarding and dynamic recipes towards success and triumph in business. So don't wait and grab this opportunity to foray into the most rewarding and wholesome category of business. It's recession proof, it's fun, it's enjoyable. Every day is a learning experience. Life becomes happening, and above all, you are the star in this endeavor. Here I'm going to we have a COVID-19, this lockdown special offer is going on with the Unique Brew right now. So we are offering special lockdown discount right now. If you finalize the franchise deal with us before 21st of June 2020, then you will get 30% off on franchise fees on all business model formats, plus many other offers like minimum guarantee of sale, refundable franchise deposit. Even the master franchisee are invited with guaranteed return on investment and with refundable franchise fees. So secure your investment with us and earn more profit. Mainly, Unique Brew concept is like we works on ethics. We have a ethics. We believe in transparency. Not like other brands. What they do is like they have a margin in all interior equipment, machinery, cutlery, crockery, menu, whatever product they supply to you, they have a margin. We never keep any margin. We don't have any hide and seek policy. So it's a clear and very transparent business. We want our client to earn profit. We want our customers to make profit, and if they will make the profit, anyway the brand is going to grow. So this was the presentation. Now I will just show you the menu, like what are the menus that we have, what are the product. Only two model menu I will show you. Starting from the fast food menu, just have a look at the fast food menu. This is a sample fast food menu that we have designed. There will be a additional menu product in this. Veg and non-veg, pure vegetarian option is also available, non-veg option is also available. Like we have Italian coffees, classic, cold, dolce diletto, on the rock, starter, iced teas. We have a pizza. It's all fresh dough pizzas, starting from all the sizes. We have burgers, like fried and grilled burger. Both the options are available. We have a source of sandwiches, grills and fried. We have a classic American club sandwiches. We have a Italian pasta option, Indian and Italian pasta. We have a sizzlers. We have a wrap, veg. We have a like noodles and like all kind of cold mocktails, fruit frappes, mojitos, slush, plus Sundays. We make like brownies in our outlet itself. We don't buy it from anywhere else. Even the sauces are made in the outlet. Add-ons and like meals and combos are also there in the menu, as well as there will be a different menu like seasonal menu, like suppose Diwali menu, suppose the like festive menu. There will be a festive menu all the like throughout the year. Now I would show you the uh, sports bar menu, the lounge model. Sports bar, like the theme will be on sports. There may be cricket, maybe hockey, maybe football. There will be a different theme as per the locality. We will design a theme and the menu will be as per the locality. The price will be as per the locality. There will be a different price in different cities. Same here also, the veg and non-veg both options are available. There are different kind of coffees. As I saw you in the first model, there are many mocktails. There are different like international mocktails, conventional margaritas. There will be a mojitos, beverages, fruit frappes, slush, starter, starting from global, all the global starters, like starting from nachos, pizza strips, cheese hub, chili, on quest, tortilla rolls, garden wraps, Mexican chaat, Indian starter, Mexican starter, Pan Asia, Indian, salads, soup, pizzas, Chinese, Mexican, burger, pastas, sizzlers, sandwiches, desserts.
नीरज जी
Yeah,
मेन्यू डिस्प्ले नहीं हो रहा आपका। आपने अभी मेन्यू ओपन कर रखा अपना?
1 second. I think I forgot to share. I think
या
1 second. Yeah, 1 second. 1 second.
या
Sorry.
योर मेन्यू इज नॉट बीइंग ओपन, राइट?
Okay, you can see now.
राइट राइट,
Is it visible? Is it visible now? You can see, Mr.
इट्स
Ashok
विजिबल।
ji.
या
Okay,
इट्स विजिबल,
this is
प्लीज गो
the
अहेड सर।
sorry. Okay, so this is a sports bar and lounge menu, Unique Brew. It will be a, like as I explained, there will be a different sports theme, either cricket, football, anything. There will be a coffees and mocktails. There will be a cold sensation. There will be a starter like global, Pan Asia, Indian, different cuisine from the world, salads, soups, pizzas. There will be a different pizzas from different like for all the business model. Chinese, Mexican, burgers are there, grilled pastas are there, sizzlers, sandwiches, desserts, sundays. This is the menu. There will be a like in proper Punjabi menu will be also there, that we can, as per the locality, if somebody want to go for the multi cuisine restaurant where there is a like dal, sabji, roti, biryani, we do that also. So we are open for that kind of category restaurant as well. So the last one, Ashok ji, this was the last one. I'm going to, already I have like okay, now visible is it?
Yes.
यस,
Okay, franchise opportunity for Unique Brew Cafe, India's most unique restaurant cafe brand. Yeah, unique concept for fast food cafe business clubbed into the amazing business support, high margin product, constant product support by professional consulting team, 100% royalty free, territory protection, area franchise right, zone rights to multiply earning. Investment start from 12 lakhs onwards, excellent ROI option, easy admin, manageable via cell phone from anywhere. Local source, no hassle of depending on company supplies and increased food cost. Future ready, the Unique Brew Cafe model is the only model, as I explained, that post COVID, it is going to like contactless delivery, kitchen operation according to FSI, restaurant standard, who standard built inbuilt with a SOP standard operations and procedures. The main governments of coffees, more than 30 different variety of specialty coffees are curated. I have explained everything, but this is just for your knowledge that you can see on the screen that royalty free model for lifetime, flexible renewal option, territory protection, complete headquarter support, constant R&D, dynamic feedback analysis. So this was the presentation. And what in regarding the staffing part, like Unique Brew provide like chefs, baristas, cooks on a guaranteed basis. The replacement of the staff will be also done by the company only. Like if somebody want to leave, if some staff is leaving, then company will provide immediate staff, so there won't be any there will be a hassle free like for the staff. If the client does not have to worry about like अगर कोई छोड़ के चला जाता है स्टाफ तो मतलब किसी को कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी, क्योंकि कंपनी रिप्लेसमेंट की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी लेती है. और वट एवर पॉइंट्स वी हैव डिस्कस्ड, दैट इज ऑल on agreement points. It's not like just a word we are sharing with you. It will be mentioned everything on the agreement. So it's as I said, completely transparent, and there is no hide and seek policy with the company. Master franchisee are also invited with a guaranteed return on investment. Your fund will be completely secured. There are so many opportunities for master franchisee as well as the unit franchisee. So if anyone has any question, any doubt, you can leave your mobile number, your email ID. We will send you the complete proposal on your email ID or on your WhatsApp number.
यस, किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन है तो प्लीज आप चैट बॉक्स में जाके रेजेंट कर दीजिए. किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन है तो प्लीज आप चैट बॉक्स में जाके रेजेंट कर दीजिए.
नीरव जी, जोधपुर से क्वेश्चन है.
ओके.
मिस्टर नितिन मित्तल हैं जोधपुर से. उनका क्वेश्चन है, चैट बॉक्स में क्वेश्चन ड्रॉप किया उन्होंने
हाँ
कि
जी.
सेल्स सपोर्ट कैसे करेंगे, प्लीज वो एक बार एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिए आप.
अच्छा, सेल्स सपोर्ट में कैसा रहेगा सर? लाइक गुड
Right.
इवनिंग सर, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गुड इवनिंग. आई वुड दैट्स अ गुड क्वेश्चन सर. सेल्स सपोर्ट में ऐसा रहेगा कि लाइक वी आर गोइंग टू टारगेट मिनिमम क्लाइंट, कि हमारे इतना फुटफॉल होना ही चाहिए, और कंपनी विल मेक श्योर कि इतना फुटफॉल आए और उसके हिसाब से उतना सेल मंथली होना ही चाहिए. जैसे कि मैंने आपको स्क्रीन में एक्सप्लेन किया कि 200 डेली कस्टमर्स वी आर टारगेटिंग. सो हमें 200 डेली कस्टमर कैसे लाना है कंपनी को, दैट इज आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. एंड उससे हमें क्या सेल मिलेगा. सपोज एक एवरेज बिल बनता है 200 रुपीज का या 300 रुपीज का, तो एज पर द 200 कस्टमर और एज पर द 150 कस्टमर्स वो कैलकुलेशन क्या रहेगा, डेली सेल क्या रहेगा. दिस इज हाउ द सेल इज कैलकुलेटेड. अगर वो सेल नहीं हो रहा है, सपोज वो सेल नहीं हो रहा है, तो कंपनी विल मेक श्योर कि वो सेल हो. वो कैसे हो, उसके लिए क्या एडवर्टाइजमेंट करनी है, क्या रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट करना है, उसके लिए क्या मेन्यू में चेंजेस करने हैं, उसके लिए प्राइस पॉलिसी क्या अप्लाई करनी है, रेसिपीज में क्या मॉडिफिकेशंस लाने हैं, और क्लाइंट की क्या नीड है, क्लाइंट की क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है, वो मेनली जानना है. क्लाइंट की रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से मेन्यू रहेगा. व्हाट जैसा मार्केट रहेगा सर वैसा मेन्यू रहेगा, सिंपल स्ट्रेटेजी। क्योंकि ये लॉकडाउन और कोविड-19 के बाद आई टेल यू वेरी वेरी फैक्ट, यू नो, कि मार्केट में आपको अगर रहना है तो जैसा मार्केट है आपको वैसा बनना पड़ेगा। द ब्रांड शुड हैव टू बिकम एज पर द मार्केट, ब्रांड शुड हैव टू रन एज पर द मार्केट। जैसा मार्केट वैसा मेन्यू, जैसा कस्टमर वैसा प्रोडक्ट। सो दिस इज हाउ सेल का मिनिमम गारंटी हम लोग लेते हैं, इतना सेल होगा। उसके लिए हमें क्या क्या करना है, कंपनी क्या क्या करती है, मार्केटिंग करती है, ऑडिटिंग मंथली, 2 मंथली, 3 मंथ वाइज, क्वार्टरली, 6 मंथ वाइज वो ऑडिटिंग भी करती है। कंपनी देखती है कि सेल कितना प्रॉपर हो रहा है, नहीं क्लाइंट को प्रॉफिट हो रहा है नहीं, क्योंकि इसमें क्या है, ये जो सारे मॉडल है सर रॉयल्टी फ्री है, आपको कोई रॉयल्टी पे नहीं करना है। प्लस आपका इसमें 30% आपको ऑफ मिल रहा है अभी अगर आप फाइनलाइज कर रहे हो। और ये बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है, अगर आप जा रहे हो तो हमारे पास मल्टीपल मेन्यू ऑप्शंस है, आपको मेन्यू में भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं होने वाली, क्योंकि हमारे पास बहुत सारे मेन्यू ऑप्शंस है, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम फास्ट फूड टू लाइक एज आई एक्सप्लेन, लाइक द फाइन डाइनिंग कंसेप्ट, स्पोर्ट्स बार कंसेप्ट। तो आई होप योर क्वेश्चन इज क्लियर। अगर आपको फिर भी कोई डाउट है तो आप नंबर, ईमेल आईडी प्लीज ड्रॉप कर दीजिए, विल गेट बैक टू यू विथ अ ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन। थैंक यू सो मच।
ओके, यस, किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन है तो प्लीज आप चैट बॉक्स में जाके रेज हैंड कर दीजिए।
नीरव जी, चैट बॉक्स में 2 क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास में। पहला क्वेश्चन है मिस्टर मनोज
हाँ जी
नायर
बोलिए।
पहले हम क्वेश्चन ले रहे हैं
ओके,
मिस्टर महेश जी का। महेश जी प्लीज आस्क योर क्वेश्चन प्लीज।
हेलो।
हेलो।
हाँ नमस्ते सर, नीरव जी।
या गुड इवनिंग सर, गुड इवनिंग, नमस्ते सर।
हाँ मैं कोल्हापुर से बात कर रहा हूँ, महाराष्ट्र।
ओके सर, बोलिए सर।
मेरा कोल्हापुर में एक लोकेशन ऐसा है, महालक्ष्मी टेम्पल के बाजू में।
ओके
वहाँ लोअर ग्राउंड पर 1000 स्क्वायर फीट एरिया है,
ओके
अपर ग्राउंड पर 1400 स्क्वायर फीट एरिया है।
ओके
उसमें मेरा साउथ इंडियन और महाराष्ट्रियन स्टाइल का रेस्टोरेंट चालू था लॉकडाउन के पहले तक।
ओके ओके राइट।
के ऊपर मेरा 3000 स्क्वायर फीट का रूफटॉप है।
ओके राइट।
मेरा ये पूछना था सर, आप कोको मॉडल सीओ कुछ आपका कॉन्सेप्ट है?
सर वी डू कोको मॉडल एज वेल, कंपनी ऑपरेटेड, कंपनी ओन जो मॉडल है आपने जो पूछा है वो हम लोग जरूर करते हैं। बट आपको इसके लिए डिटेल में हम लोग, अगर आपका नंबर, ईमेल आईडी ड्रॉप कर देंगे तो हम आपको डिटेल में उसके लिए समझाएंगे, क्योंकि इट्स लाइक अ वेरी ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट इट। सो हम लोग करते हैं, जरूर करते हैं कोको मॉडल। आप आपका नंबर और ईमेल आईडी प्लीज ड्रॉप कर दीजिए, ताकि हम आपको जल्द से जल्द इसके लिए आगे एक्सप्लेनेशन देंगे।
जरूर सर।
ठीक है सर।
ठीक है।
ओके।
यस, किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन है तो प्लीज चैट बॉक्स में जाके रेज हैंड कर दीजिए।
नीरव जी, मनोज जी का क्वेश्चन था हमारे पास में चैट बॉक्स में।
ओके।
हेलो नीरव जी।
हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ जी बोलिए।
मनोज मनोज नायर जी हैं लुधियाना से। उनका क्वेश्चन है कि जो आपके रिन्यूअल्स के जो टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन है,
हाँ
एक बार उसको प्लीज एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिए कि
सर,
कितने साल का
रिन्यूअल,
रिन्यूअल होगा।
हाँ सर,
प्लीज प्लीज।
सर एग्रीमेंट टेन्योर जो रहेगा, जो यूनिट फ्रेंचाइज, जैसे कि 4 मॉडल बिजनेस मॉडल है, उसमें से कोई भी मॉडल आप चूज करते हो तो उसमें से कोई भी यूनिट फ्रेंचाइज का जो एग्रीमेंट टर्म रहेगा वो सर 5 to 7 years का रहेगा, आइदर 5 year और 7 year। ठीक है। और जो मास्टर फ्रेंचाइजी का टर्म रहेगा दैट विल बी फॉर द टाइम ऑफ 10 year। और मास्टर फ्रेंचाइजी व्हाई इट इज 10 year, बिकॉज उसमें हम आपको टारगेट, हम लोग टारगेट सेट करते हैं कि हमें मास्टर फ्रेंचाइजी के अंडर में इतने स्टोर इन द ईयर हमें इतने ओपन करने ही करने एनी हाउ। तो ये मास्टर फ्रेंचाइज कंसेप्ट हो गया। और यूनिट फ्रेंचाइजी में 7 after 5 और 7 year द टर्म इज रिन्यूएबल विथ म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग। आपको सेकेंड रिन्यूअल के टाइम पे डिपेंड करता है लाइक हाउ द रिलेशन, हाउ लाइक आप कैसे आपने मेंटेन किया है, कंपनी का स्टैंडर्ड कैसे मेंटेन किया है। अगर आपने बहुत अच्छे से कंपनी का स्टैंडर्ड मेंटेन किया है और मतलब आउटलेट अच्छा है, चल रहा है, बहुत बढ़िया चल रहा है, तो देयर वोंट बी एनी लाइक चार्ज फॉर रिन्यूअल। that will be absolutely free renewal, depend on like mutual understanding for renewal of the agreement, right? I think I'm like I answered your question correctly. और कोई क्वेश्चन है तो प्लीज बताइए।
यस, किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन है या कोई क्वेरी है तो प्लीज आप चैट बॉक्स में जाके रेजेंट कर दीजिए। किसी
Hello,
का कोई क्वेश्चन या
any
कोई
more
क्वेरी
question?
है तो प्लीज चैट बॉक्स में जाके रेजेंट कर दीजिए।
ओके नीरव जी, हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं जो चैट बॉक्स में हमारे पास में मिस्टर
Okay,
दीपक शाह है
okay,
सूरत से।
okay,
जो आपने कोविड-19 का जो
okay.
ऑफर दिया था, प्लीज उसको एक बार दोबारा एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिए।
कोविड-19 का जो अभी का ऑफर है, दैट इज ओनली एंड ओनली वैलिड टिल 21 जून दिस मंथ 2020। ये 21 जून 2020 तक ही वैलिड है, उसके बाद वो वैलिड नहीं रहेगा अगर आप फाइनल करते हो, ठीक है? तो आपको जो भी फ्रेंचाइज फीस है, जैसे कि आप ए मॉडल चूज करते हो, बी मॉडल चूज करते हो, सी मॉडल चूज करते हो या डी मॉडल, 4 बिजनेस मॉडल में से आप कोई भी बिजनेस मॉडल चूज करते हो, तो उस बिजनेस मॉडल की जो भी फ्रेंचाइज फीस है उस पे आपको 30% फ्रेंचाइज फीस, 30% का ऑफर मिलेगा, आपको ऑफ मिलेगा, 30% ऑफ है, ठीक है? और उसमें से बाकी जो अमाउंट बचता है उसमें से 1 लाख रुपए जो डिपॉजिट कंपनी आपको रिफंड करेंगी आफ्टर द एग्रीमेंट टर्म ओवर। एग्रीमेंट टर्म जब ओवर होता है उसके बाद आपको कंपनी 1 लाख रुपए कंपनी रिफंड कर देगी उसमें से भी। तो आपको ये ऑफर और कोई ब्रांड नहीं देगा। आई आई मतलब ये ऑफर जो है आपको कोई ब्रांड नहीं देगा। वैसे ही सेम मास्टर फ्रेंचाइजी का जो ऑफर है वो मास्टर फ्रेंचाइजी ऑफर भी ऐसा ही है सर। आपको मास्टर फ्रेंचाइजी के लिए अगर जानना है कंसेप्ट क्या है तो आप प्लीज आपका ईमेल आईडी मोबाइल नंबर ड्रॉप कर दीजिए, हम आपको एक डिटेल में आपको मास्टर फ्रेंचाइजी का कंसेप्ट समझाएंगे और आपको मेल करेंगे। तो ये ऑफर है। आई होप आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि मैं क्या कहना चाहता हूँ। फिर भी अगर आपको कोई डाउट है तो प्लीज आप दोबारा पूछ सकते हैं, प्लीज। थैंक यू।
यस, किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन है तो प्लीज आप चैट बॉक्स में जाके रेजेंट कर दीजिए। हमारे पास 5 मिनट्स और हैं। अगर नीरव सर को किसी से कोई क्वेश्चन है या कोई क्वेरी है तो प्लीज आप अपने चैट बॉक्स में जाके रेजेंट कर दीजिए।
नीरव जी, लास्ट क्वेश्चन है चैट बॉक्स में हमारे पास में, मिस्टर नवीन भार्गव जी हैं चंडीगढ़ से। इनका क्वेश्चन है कि अगर एग्जिस्टिंग आउटलेट है, कैफे है, और वहाँ पे यूनिक ब्रू का आउटलेट स्टार्ट करते हैं उसकी जगह, तो उसके अंदर क्या फॉर्मेलिटीज होगी और
आपका
उसमें
प्लीज
भी
रिपीट
क्या?
द क्वेश्चन।
क्वेश्चन ये है, मिस्टर नवीन भार्गव जी हैं चंडीगढ़ से। इनका क्वेश्चन है, इनके पास
ओके
कैफे है चंडीगढ़
ओके
में, अगर यूनिक ब्रू उस कैफे में
ओके
कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो
ओके
उसमें आपको क्या फ्रेंचाइज फीस देनी होगी इनको दोबारा?
सर ऑब्वियसली अगर एग्जिस्टिंग कैफे है उस कैफे को यूनिक ब्रू कैफे टेक ओवर कर रहा है, ठीक है, हमारे ऑपरेशंस रहेंगे, हमारा स्टाफ रहेगा, हमारा मैनेजमेंट रहेगा, हमारे प्रोडक्ट लाइन रहेगी, हमारी मेन्यू रहेगी, ठीक है, तो ऑब्वियसली आपको फ्रेंचाइज फीस ये ऑफर के हिसाब से पे करना है। जो ऑफर कोविड-19 ऑफर जो मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया है, उस हिसाब से आपको फाइनलाइज करते हो तो आपको पे करना है, और वो तो ऑब्वियसली आपको फ्रेंचाइज फी पे करनी है, क्योंकि यूनिक ब्रू आपको बाकी सब एक्सपेंस नहीं लगने वाला, ठीक है, बट कंपनी आपसे टेक ओवर कर लेगी सारी चीजें। जो एग्जिस्टिंग कैफे है उसमें अगर कोई मॉडिफिकेशन करना है तो आपसे म्यूचुअल मीटिंग करके वो मॉडिफिकेशन करेगी। अगर नेसेसरी नहीं है तो वो भी नहीं करेगी, एक्स्ट्रा एक्सपेंसिस आपको नहीं आएगा। लेकिन अगर आप यूनिक ब्रू की फ्रेंचाइजी ले रहे हो तो आपको फ्रेंचाइज फी तो सर देनी होगी, क्योंकि बिकॉज देन अदरवाइज एक पूरा एग्जिस्टिंग कैफे में हमें रीडेवलप करने में लाइक वी नीड लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट, हमें भी बहुत एफर्ट्स लगते हैं, तो इसीलिए फ्रेंचाइज फीस आपको देनी रहती है सर। अगर आप फाइनलाइज करते हो 21 से पहले तो ये आपको ऑफर आप वैलिड रहेगी, उसके बाद ये ऑफर वैलिड नहीं रहेगी। और मैं लाइक जैसे मैंने बोला कि ये जो ऑफर यूनिक ब्रू ने दिया है, आई डोंट थिंक सो और कोई फ्रेंचाइजी ऐसी ऑफर दे रहा होगा एज पर माई नॉलेज। थैंक यू।
ओके, हमारे पास 2 मिनट्स और हैं। अगर किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन है नीरव सर से तो प्लीज आप चैट बॉक्स में जाके रेज हैंड कर दीजिए।
Any query in chat box?
नो सर।
Okay. Now we are going to end our franchise webinar session. फ्रेंड्स, आज हमने इंडियाज बेस्ट फास्ट फूड एंड कैफे ब्रांड यूनिक ब्रू की फ्रेंचाइज जर्नी एंड सक्सेस स्टोरी के बारे में मिस्टर नीरव जी से जाना। फ्रेंड्स, वी होप कि आपको ये सेशन काफ़ी पसंद आया होगा। अगर आपको यूनिक ब्रू की फ्रेंचाइज के बारे में कोई भी क्वेरी है या फिर फ्रेंचाइज में इंटरेस्टेड हैं, तो प्लीज़ आप डायरेक्ट मिस्टर नीरव जी से कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं। प्लीज़ नोट डाउन द कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर। इट्स 9725329575। It's 9725329575। फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपने यह वेबिनार लेट अटेंड किया है तो प्लीज़ आप franchiseapply.com के फेसबुक पेज पर जाकर इस पूरे वेबिनार सेशन को अगेन पूरा देख सकते हैं। एंड ए वार्म थैंक्स टू मिस्टर नीरव जी फॉर एड्रेसिंग टुडे वेबिनार सेशन। नीरव सर, थैंक्स अ लॉट। आप आए और आपने काफ़ी
थैंक यू
वंडरफुल
सो मच। थैंक यू एवरीवन।
अपॉर्चुनिटी हमें प्रोवाइड करवाई। फ्रेंड्स, कल वापस हम 2 एजुकेशन बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी आपके लिए लेकर आ रहे हैं। कल शार्प 11:30 पर हम इंडियाज ग्रोइंग प्ले स्कूल ब्रांड पैरेट किड की फ्रेंचाइज, एंड कल इवनिंग में शार्प 4 PM पर मिनिमम गारंटी ब्रांड क्लब ऑफ जीनियस की फ्रेंचाइज अपॉर्चुनिटी आपके लिए लेकर आएंगे। देन लेट्स मीट टुमारो एट शार्प 11:30 AM अगेन। बाय एंड टेक केयर ऑल।
थैंक
थैंक्स
यू
सर।
सो मच।
थैंक्स अ लॉट।